Dorothy, how can I make money online, with 0 naira, just with my smartphone. Thank you so much for coming, stopping by my YouTube channel. Again, my name is Dorothy. On this channel, I talk about marketing, freelancing, business growth, and anything making money on the online space. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. I love you. You are my new MVP, okay? If you are a new visitor, I need you to join this amazing and awesome family of go-getters by clicking on the subscribe button below this video and the notification bell beside it to get notified when I drop my next amazing life-transforming video. You don't want to miss out on that. Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about a very crucial topic that a lot of people have been disturbing me about. Dorothy, how can I make money online, with 0 naira, just with my smartphone? What can I do to make money? Because right now, if we're going to be truthful, people need to have multiple stream of income to consistently live a comfortable life. And today I'll put this video together and I'm going to be sharing with you some tips that I know you definitely be able to choose from. Before we get into the video, I need you to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, if you like the title, if you're excited about the title alone, give this video a thumbs up. It encourages me to see those thumbs flying around, so give this video a thumbs up and let's get right into it. The first opportunity that I'm going to be sharing with you now is creating low content books on Amazon. Okay, well, a lot of people have been talking about this and I really think I should lay more emphasis on it. Creation of ebooks. And one thing that a lot of people tell me is I'm not a writer. Okay, how can I create this low content ebooks on Amazon and make money from it? You don't have to be a writer. Just note that. Forget about the fact that writers write books. In fact, people that are not writers write most of the books that you currently read. Okay, so if you have an experience that you want to share, and of course there is even a way that you can write these books without having to write at all, and it will only take you nothing less than 48 hours to put your book together, to have it ready and uploaded on Amazon. If you need me to make a video on that, let me know in the comment section. Okay, another form of low content books that you can definitely create without being a writer at all, in fact without writing anything, is there are books like journals and record books. Okay, there are so many books like that on Amazon. There are books like that on Amazon that that has titles like things I don't want to forget, my password home. So these kind of books are basically to keep records. There are times that you have up to 20, 30 username and password. You don't want to forget these things, all right? So you buy those books to keep notes of those things. They are sold for as low as $7-8 on Amazon, but of course Amazon gets to take a certain percentage of it, which leaves you with still having up to 70% of the selling price, as your own money. So I think that is a fair deal. They get to do the delivery, they get to do the stress and everything. All you just need is to create and edit this low content books, and upload it on Amazon. So if you want to know how you can format that kind of book with Canva, let me know in the comment section. Okay, the second opportunity that I'm gonna be sharing with you is teaching what you know. Okay, everyone teaches what they know now. We are in the age of digital transformation. Why not look for a topic that is well sought after and create a course on it and sell it to people? Don't tell me you don't know anything. You've had experiences. If not experiences, you might have skill, you might have expertise, something you can tell people, you can help people with for free. People create courses on things like that, so you just look at something you can teach, create a course on that, sell it for a relatively easy and low price, and then make money for yourself. Am I making sense? Are you sure I'm making sense? So another thing that you can do is WhatsApp marketing. If you have huge status viewer, your WhatsApp, you have contacts that view your WhatsApp status consistently, why not just put up a flyer, then put up a price, telling people they can promote their product, their services, their offers on your WhatsApp status per week, per day, per month, for a certain amount of money. I know someone who does that and does a week for 25,000 naira and a day for 5,000 naira. You can even start on the low side and do something like say 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira per day. And of course, if anyone gets to promote their offer on your WhatsApp status for close up to a week, that leaves you with 14,000 naira smiling at you at the end of the day, and that is about let's say $6.5 US. Okay, that is one thing that you can do. If you don't have a already ready WhatsApp status viewer, if you don't have huge WhatsApp status viewers, if you want me to make a video on how you can grow your WhatsApp status list with a little amount of money, let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you are enjoying this video and you're making sense from it, I need you to give this video a thumbs up. Please do that now. Do it. Okay, it encourages me, and of course it helps my video do well too. If I do well, I would not hesitate to continually dish out this content to you. So please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment in the section telling me you're doing great. This is great. Okay, let's start seeing the comments flying in. I'm waiting. Okay, I'm gonna wait for 1 second. So the final one that I'm going to be sharing with you today is affiliate marketing. Okay, a lot of opinions have been going around about affiliate marketing. Is it a scam? Is it a Ponzi scheme? Are you probably thinking the same? Okay, I don't do Ponzi scheme, I don't do scam. Okay, so affiliate marketing, now like it sounds, affiliate means connected to something. Then marketing is simply selling. Okay, so you affiliating yourself to a brand that has a product, then you selling someone else's product and making money from it. It is as easy as that. You don't need to have a product, you don't need to have you don't need to have an offer, you don't need to have a product. These offers are already created. In fact, they already have a blueprint for everything, so all you just need to do is pick them up and market them. So whenever anyone buys through you, there is a certain commission that you earn. There are so many options that you can leverage talking about affiliate marketing. Now there are sites like Expertnear. They sell digital courses. You can market their digital courses and make money from it. And we also talk about Amazon. Now Amazon has ranging from digital products to physical products that they have. All you just need to do is sign up as Amazon affiliate, then you get it for free. You get to do this for free. Sign up, then generate your own affiliate link for any product that you want to promote it. You can even run paid advertisement for these offers, as far as they are the one their offers are really eye catchy and really interesting. And one thing about Amazon affiliate is that you don't need to start worrying about delivery. All you just need to do is promote, get people to buy. Once they buy through you, you get your commission on your dashboard automatically, and you get to withdraw through PayPal, Payoneer, or any other options that suits you best. Okay, so that is basically for affiliate marketing on Amazon. And please, if you're the kind of person that really keen on selling physical products, this is one thing that I do for myself and have helped me make money. I'm talking about that. If you are in Nigeria, I'm talking about people in Nigeria now for this word, this particular word. Okay, you can go on gigi.ng, then look at the product that you want to sell. As for me, I sell ring lights. Okay, so what I did was I went on Gigi. I have a ring light that I bought from one of my clients, then through Gigi, then I snapped it, uploaded it, created an account on Gigi, a seller account, uploaded it there, and then promoted it. Okay, and whenever anyone wants to buy, I get to refer them to the person. Like I get the money, I buy it from the woman, and then I get my own commission. Like my own interest on it is 2,000 naira per se, which is roughly about $4 US, okay, per se of those ring light, depending on the negotiation. All right, so that is one thing that you can do. Just go on Jiji, look at the vendors that are close to you, and then speak with them that you want to start selling their products, get pictures of available stocks, then upload it on your own. Then you can even promote it on Jiji. In fact, their promotion per month, on Jiji can help you make, have up to 100 buyers per month, depending on how compelling what you're selling is. And that is why you need to put good effort into knowing, is this offer very compelling? Will people be willing to buy? Is it something that people are regularly in need of? Okay, and of course, if the price range is very fair, I see no reason why people will not buy. You can get up to 10-15 calls per day, and of course close up to 5 sales per day, depending on how smart you're good with negotiation. That's one thing that you can do for yourself. If you are in Nigeria and you're thinking about affiliate marketing, physical products. All right, so thank you so much for staying up until this moment. I'm really delighted. Like I said earlier, my name is Dorothy Ituno. I'm a creative content writer, a marketer, and I specialize in training people to ace their writing skill, monetize their skill, and also grow their business. So I want you to be in my inner circle. So here I have my Instagram handle, here I have my LinkedIn handle, and here I have my Facebook handle. Okay, my WhatsApp link, the link to my direct WhatsApp is below this video in the description. So you just go there, guys, and let's connect. All right, so subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so see you in the next one.